Welcome to Invictus Academy. We're at the old campus, an H building. It's an area that's been historic to Mount Vernon for years. Mr. Fricknick, the Board of Education, decided to take this building and remodel it a little bit to give more service to some of our underserved students that may have some social emotional issues. We're currently standing in the lobby of H building, and through this quick virtual tour, we're going to show you the area of the building that we have already remodeled. So what you're seeing now is the current lobby of H. The maintenance staff has come in, done a good job replacing ceiling tiles, waxing the floors, cleaning it up, making sure there's no leaks. When they closed the building down, our maintenance staff did a really good job of purging all the pipes and keeping humidifiers going in the building to keep it in pretty good shape. What you're in now was when I was teaching here at the old campus, was Nancy Deaton's office. This is going to be our conference room for Invictus Academy. It'll be a room where we hold our IEPs, when we have different agencies come in that work with our kids, in what case, they can use this space here and complete any meetings or conferences that need to be done. You can see new ceiling tiles throughout. They put carpet squares down and a new paint job. Did a really nice job with turning this into a modern day office or conference room. You're in one of the classrooms we have here at Invictus Academy. This is the teacher's desk, of course. This used to be an old English classroom, I think, from my understanding. I'm not sure the exact teacher was here when we moved to the new campus or who owned this room prior. What you'll see is there's plenty of storage. This campus was notorious for the amount of storage we had in it. And once again, new carpet squares. We finished the doors on it, new paint job. Really brought this classroom back to life. You'll see some carols over there. This helps our students with staying focused and also gives them privacy. Sometimes when our social emotional students have a hard time in dealing with large groups or larger numbers of students, they'll prefer to have classes or do their work in an enclosed area. It helps to develop through our system, our level system, to get the kids transitioned back to the main campus, and it works out really good through the program. You're in the Invictus 119H. This is a classroom that a lot of the teachers at Mount Vernon Township High School, we have all the staff in this classroom. It's a room we really don't have at the main campus, but it's a great space for our students. We have a lot of carols here, but it also gives them a larger area to move out, do group work as need be, and work in teams. This classroom used to be, from what I was told, was an old studio where they had, in the middle section here, we'll show you in a little bit, was a control room, and they would do their live broadcasts for the audio-visual classrooms, and I think even Channel 1 broadcasts in this area. All right, you're in what we used to call the old print shop, Miss Hamilton's print shop classroom. A lot of space here, good open area. What we're looking at doing at this classroom here, which butts up to 119H, is turning this large space into an apartment for some of our life skills kids, where they can come in, learn how to take care of a kitchen, learn how to make beds, clean, a lot of independent living skills. Because it provides that space that we don't have at the main campus right now. And once again, you can see our maintenance crew, Mr. Fricknick, the Board of Education, did a great job with really giving a nice, clean area with carpet tiles, new lights, new ceiling tiles, and a new paint job, and provides a kitchenette and everything that those life skill kids may need in order to make that transition from high school into adult life. All right, this is our cafeteria. Used to be the old wood shop in one H building at the old campus. We've been able to modify it out, clean it up, put some new HVAC throughout the whole entire bottom floor of the building, heating and cooling, and then our students will come in here for lunch, breakfast, come through as we get new appliances and equipment coming in that we just got purchased through a grant. And it was a great job by Mr. Fricknick and Miss Emily in the cafeteria getting that grant taken care of, provides cooking equipment and stuff for the kids. They'll come in here, they'll get their food, they'll move through, sit down, have lunch, and then we can transition back to the classroom as need be. This concludes our virtual tour of Invictus Academy at the old H building at Mount Vernon Township High School, old campus. There is more to come down the road as we continue to expand this facility and provide more educational services to kids throughout Jefferson County. If you have any questions or concerns, come on, stop by, call the school. Our students will actually start coming back in here in the middle of August, as we hope everybody hopes that school reopens up, and we'll be having classes here on a daily basis. Thank you for your time. Go Rams.